In today's video, I'm going to show you cheap 2.1 subwoofer amplifier, ZK-MT21 review assembly, and sound test. The ZK-MT21 is a very affordable 2.1 channel subwoofer amplifier board often used in DIY audio projects and simple home speaker builds. It typically delivers around 50 W to each stereo channel and about 100 W to a subwoofer when used with a proper 12-24 volts DC power supply, and supports Bluetooth 5 and aux inputs, making it versatile for pairing with phones, laptops, or media players. Assembly is usually straightforward for anyone accustomed to basic electronics. The board is compact and labeled for speaker and power connections, and many users find it fits easily into custom enclosures or DIY subwoofer boxes without complex wiring. You do need to supply your own DC adapter of sufficient amperage 5A or more recommended, and match your speaker impedances 4, 8 ohms to the amps ratings. However, because it's so inexpensive and sourced from various manufacturers, quality can vary. Some owners report issues like noise or interference, particularly through the aux input, suggesting grounding or shielding problems that may require tinkering or a better power supply to fix. Others mention potential reliability quirks or components failing if the amp is driven hard continuously. There are even posts from DIY audio communities about output faults or shorted terminals in some units, which means not every example is perfectly built. In summary, the ZK-MT21 is a legitimate and inexpensive amplifier board that can deliver good bass and usable sound in budget builds, but you shouldn't expect premium audio quality or perfect reliability. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.